Today we're making these cute little mini lemon bundt cakes. We're going to start off by finely grating 1 lemon. We're also going to need about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. We're going to set this to the side and work on our batter. To a big bowl, we're going to add in half a cup of softened butter and 1 cup of sugar. We're going to cream this until it's light and fluffy. Add in 3 eggs. Give that a quick mix. Add in the lemon juice and the zest of that lemon. Mix, mix, mix. Next, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of flour, followed by 1/3 of a cup of vanilla yogurt. If all you have is plain yogurt, you can add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give that a quick mix. And before we forget, we're going to mix in half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda. And since we've already licked the beaters, we're just going to mix this in by hand. Grab your mini bundt cake pan and spray it with some nonstick cooking spray. I have this very large pan of mini bundt cake molds. This recipe makes about 12, so we're only going to use the center 3 rows. Spoon in the batter and into the oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Mine were ready right at 12, and I probably should have even taken them out at about 10 minutes. As soon as they're done out of the oven, we're going to let them rest in the pan for just a few minutes before turning them out onto some parchment paper. To a bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of lemon extract, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Give that a quick mix. This part is not necessary, but I stuck my glaze into a piping bag with a number 12 piping tip. I didn't want to use a spoon, but whatever way you want to go about it will work just fine. If you'd rather have a thinner glaze, add in a little more milk. I think this consistency is perfect. It's thick but thin enough to create those fat little droplets down the side and still hold its shape. Add on your sprinkles or sprinkle on more lemon zest. I'm going with these spring-themed sprinkles. I picked up a container of these sprinkles from Hobby Lobby in their seasonal section. Yep, these look super cute. If you're interested, I will insert an ingredients list right here. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.